Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the newest Colourpop palette. This is the Whatever palette. This is their fall palette for this year. The colors in it just look so pretty and absolutely perfect for fall. So I really wanted to share this palette with you guys and let you know what I think. So let's get started. So before I start the eyes, I want to give you guys a little close-up. So it looks like this. It kind of looks like the Mean Girls movie, the Burn Book kind of cover. But then this is a close-up of the palette. A bunch of burgundies. You have a few gold shades, some more browns. So definitely a perfect fall palette. Kind of want to swatch this shade, which is called Duh. Oh, look at that color. Look at how pretty that shimmer is. Oh man, that is so nice. Okay, so all my face makeup is done, so we're just gonna get started with the eye look. Start by using the shade Pink Slip, which is just a matte nude color, and I am going to add this into the crease. And over that, I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Pass It On. Just blend that. Wow, that came up really pigmented. Okay, just blending that into the crease and on the outer corners. I'm using a blending brush to do this so that we get a really nice, soft, blended look. Now, before I actually add the burgundy shade, I'm going to use the color Maybe Later. I'm just buffing that on the outer corner to start the transition of the shades. Next up, we're finally going to add some burgundy, which is called Bad Guy, and I'm just tapping that off on my brush a little bit and blending that all across the crease and a little bit above the crease. Really just making sure that this looks super blended together. I'm going to cut my crease like halfway today, so I definitely want to make sure that you can see these colors above the crease. Using a little bit of a smaller eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to pack this on my lower lash line. Blend that out just a little bit, but you don't want to bring it too far down. And just to add a little bit more dimension to the burgundy, I'm going to use this matte brown, which is called In Bold, and I'm just going to put that right on the outer corner and just kind of lightly tap that. We want it to be a very subtle kind of hint of brown. It just will add more depth to the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use a little bit of that right on the outer part of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this NYX concealer and a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to kind of use a little bit of this and just cut my crease. So as you can see, I only cut it like halfway on my lid, and I really feel like I haven't done a cut crease in a while. So now that the crease is cut, I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to add the shade TTYN, and I'm just going to put that right on the end of that concealer, and then I'm going to just use a blending brush and blend that edge out. For the rest of my lid here, I have to use this shade that we swatched earlier, and it is just such a pretty gold. I mean, it's like flaky, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty. Like, look at that glitter. And I'm just going to tap this where that concealer is and bring it up onto the lid just a little bit. I love this shade so much. I'm just going to use a eyeshadow brush with no extra eyeshadow on it. I'm just going to try and kind of swipe away some of those flakes that got on the crease. Now for my inner corners, I'm going to use a small little pencil eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Tarte, which is a white shimmery eyeshadow color, and I'm just going to add this onto my inner corners and bring it down a little bit. And then I'm also just going to use that same shade right on my brow bone. Before I add any liner, I'm going to go into the shade Miss Brightside, and I'm going to just place this right on my lash line and just blend that out. And I think that that just adds so much more to the eye look. It has a hint of purple now to it, which I think just intensifies the burgundy. So I really like the way that that looks. Now I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm just going to add some winged liner. So for lashes today, I'm using these Kiss eyelashes, and I'm just going to apply those real quick and add some mascara. Okay, so now that the eyes are finally done, which I'm really happy with the way that they turned out, I am going to keep with the Colourpop theme of products. So I'm using the, here, let me take it out of the box first. I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter, and this one's in the shade Flexitarian. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I want to do, oh my gosh, so pigmented. I'm just going to use a highlighting brush. So excited to try this. It's like a cream highlighter. And I'm just, oh my god, it's so good. I haven't tried this product out yet, so I'm very impressed. Just adding a little to my nose. And then finally for lips, I'm using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Lavender and Lace, and I'm going to line my lips before we add our lip color. I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Sunny Side, and I'm just going to fill in my lips with this. I think it's gonna be, oh, it's like the most perfect nude color. This lipstick is like really comfortable to wear. So this is the finished look. I am so happy with this palette. I think that this is the perfect fall go-to palette. So if you're looking for a palette that's fairly affordable, I think this palette is $18. I'll put the price on the screen here for you guys so that you know you're paying for like a high quality palette for less money. So I like 10 out of 10 recommend this palette to you guys. The shades in here are just perfect for all season long. You guys should definitely go check it out. If any of you guys do try it out, let me know what you guys think of it. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!